Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Bajpayee. Welcome to this video. So I've created this video regarding the frequently asked questions about the appraisal system in TCS. So I'll be trying to cover 3 to more questions and I'll try to explain them in a better way so that you could have a better understanding of how appraisal system works in TCS. What are the things you need to do in order to initiate appraisal, in order to get good ratings, and we'll be covering all those things. So watch the full video. Hopefully video will clear most of your doubts. Still you have some doubt, you can comment down on the video and I'll try to make another video to resolve them, or I'll just reply you in the comment box only so that you could have your query resolved. So let's start the video. We are talking about the appraisal, so let's discuss what is appraisal. See, basically appraisal is something when a company or when a person evaluates you on the basis of your performance, and they just evaluate you on various fields or various points, and they came to a conclusion that how valuable a asset or how valuable you are to a company or to that project. ये तो बात हो गई एकदम इंग्लिश वाली. अभी एकदम नॉर्मल बात में समझ लेते हैं कि अप्रेजल क्या होता है. सो बेसिकली अप्रेजल एक ऐसा टाइम होता है कंपनी में जिस समय पे आपकी सैलरी बढ़ती है, आपको थोड़ा सा हाइक मिलता है, तो उसको हम लोग अप्रेजल बोलते हैं, बहुत ही सरल भाषा में अगर समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. सो आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि अप्रेजल क्या होता है. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस how to initiate appraisal in TCS. So in TCS basically we have a speed portal in order to initiate appraisal. So you get mail in your TCS email ID that you need to initiate appraisal, and or your manager can directly contact you that you have to initiate appraisal. You can do that by going into speed portal, that is in your TCS Ultimatic software. You can go into speed portal, you have to select your manager, you have to select your reviewer and HR, then you have to click on initiate appraisal button over there, and then you have to inform your manager and reviewer that you have initiated the appraisals. Post that, your manager will set some goals and some attributes for you, and you have to comment down under those goals and attribute that how you met those goals and how are you performing and how are you contributing in order to achieve that goals and attributes. You have to just comment down your achievements and what all the things that you have done in past 1 year. Then on the basis of your comments, the manager evaluates you and he provides you rating on every single goal. Okay, out of 5 he provides you a rating, and then overall ratings, then the average rating is calculated and you get a overall rating at the end. So I think till now you are very clear with how to initiate appraisal. You have to go to speed portal, select manager, reviewer and HR, then you have to ask your managers that you have initiated the appraisal. They will set some goals and attributes. You have to comment down under the goals and attributes, and then you will get your rating when the time comes. Okay, so this is a very simple process. You will also get a mail regarding this, or you can directly contact your manager or reviewer that how to follow these steps. This is a very easy step. Now moving on to the next question. Okay, how many types of appraisals are there in TCS? Whether you get one appraisal after completion of a year or you get 2 appraisals. So these are some frequently asked questions and very common questions among the freshers. So let me tell you this very clearly, that if you have joined TCS after the month of March, for example, if you have joined on April, May or June, then you will get only one appraisal post completion of 1 year, that is your anniversary appraisal. See, there are 2 types of appraisals, anniversary appraisal and project end appraisal. Anniversary appraisal is the appraisal that you get when you complete a year in a TCS, and according to my colleagues and some people that work in TCS, I have came to know that you get anniversary appraisal up to 3 years. Okay, and the other one is project end appraisal. So project end appraisal is a appraisal that you get after the completion of every financial year. So if you have joined TCS before the month of March, let's say you have joined on February or in March itself, then your 1 year will complete. Let's say you have joined on Feb 2022, so your 1 year will complete in Feb 2023. So you will get anniversary appraisal, plus you will also get the financial year or project end appraisal that happens every year in March. But if you have joined after March, you will get only one appraisal, that is anniversary appraisal. And then again, let's see, let me tell you this with example. So in order to avoid your confusion, for example, if I have joined in June 2022, I will get only one appraisal in June 2023, but in June 2024 I will get 2 appraisals. First one in March 2024 and the other one is June 2024. So I hope this clears your doubt. And okay, now moving towards the last question, what can we do from our side in order to get good rating? See, this is very obvious that you have to perform well throughout the year in order to get good rating, but there are some things that are under our control and that you can maintain, and that will surely help you in getting good rating. So there is a platform called Fresco Play in TCS, inside which there is a there is a thing called T factor, and every employee has a T factor of his or her own. So what you need to do, you need to complete courses over Fresco Play, and this will help you increase your T factor. So during goal setting, generally managers keep or set a goal regarding T factor. So you need to have a good T factor that will help you in getting good rating, and ultimately it will help rising up your average. So this would help you in getting better rating during your appraisal. And other things that you can do are the certifications. You need to complete some sort of certifications that are related to your project, that are related to your unit, and doing those certifications will also help you in getting good rating during your appraisal. Other than T factor and other than courses, certifications, your communication skills also matter a lot. So focus on your communication skills, be proactive, and these all things might help you in getting good rating during your appraisal. So this was all in the video. I hope you liked the video and I was able to clear some of your doubt. If still you have doubt, you can comment down in the video. And if you want more information related to TCS, or if you want more TCS related videos, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching the video.